Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to discuss about small issues in real-time example of this useState. If you're building a React app, chances are that you can come across small issues. We'll show you how to fix these issues quickly so that you can get back to what matters the most. So guys, get back to our project. So this is our project. There are a lot of chances when you're creating the first time you would face a lot of issues which you have even not imagined that. So let me just show you on the example. So we can see here this is a real-time application which is already created and we are on the ending of this real-time example. So I'm going to just finalize all the things. So if I refresh this page, so you can see here there is a warning. So this is very important thing because we need to fix all these warnings before we um, make our application to production. So you can see in the app run method, there's issue. Each element in a list should have a unique key. So what was the actual issues? Guys, the problem is that well, actually unique key error is that your rows in JavaScript array should have unique key property. It will help reactjs to find references to the appropriate DOM nodes and update only content inside markup, but not re-rendering the whole table row. Actually, the problem here is that when we are regenerating this, because this is the loop and it's generating the custom controls, and we are not passing any unique key, so it's difficult sometimes for the React.js to find the references to the appropriate DOMs. So we need to pass the unique keys here. So I will pass key, and I can pass the student code. It is also unique, but in this case I'm going to pass the index. So now if I save and refresh it, so just let me just clean this. And I need to refresh this. And now you can see the issue is resolved. So guys, just remember that when you're creating the custom controls or when you're creating the multiple rows from an array, you need to pass the unique keys to those particular DOM elements. And the second issue is, let's suppose if I remove, if the our array is completely empty when we load first time. So it is not really it doesn't looks good because sometimes user do not understand what the behavior actually happens. So we need to pass something, some messages or some paragraph so that user can understand what was the actual issue. So I'm going to commit this code, and what I'm going to do from this collection, I'm going to say if dot length, if the length is equal to 0, I'm using the ternary operator. React.js supports the ternary operators, and ES6 videos in our past videos, I have discussed all these topics, ternary operator and ES6 topics. So you can find those videos, and if length is 0, I'm going to say please return and write no student record found. Otherwise, it needs to show this record, all the collection, right? Right. So now you can see if we do not have any record, we are getting the message. It makes sense that it's really easy to understand what actually this application is, how is this application is behaving, because sometimes we ignore these small things, but these things sometimes matters a lot. So now I'm going to again uncomment this. Okay, cool. So guys, this is all about the demo of this uh, topic. And guys, one thing very important to remember, I have completed this use case real-time example in the next videos. I'm going to share what I'm going to do with, that was also very special thing is coming for all of you. But before that, I have created updated all the projects on this GitHub my account and repository. So I have shared this link in the description. You can find out from there. And also on my videos, you can see till now we have covered a lot of topics on the React.js, and I hope you are understanding all the topics, and if you have any question, please reach out to me. I have shared my email address and also my Twitter account, so you can reach out to me. I have covered all these topics. So how we can deploy the reactjs, how we can create the projects, understanding the complete structure of the folders, and then we have covered all the ES6 topics which are very important, because it is also important because when you are going to work on the React, these topics are going to really help you in writing the code. Like you just see, I have written even create a video on the ternary operator, which actually helps us now in writing the code on React.js, and then we have understand JSX and many more topics which I have covered in detail. So in the next video, I'm going to create one more real-time demo for you, because I already told you I'm using my industry experience and my experience to creating all these videos. So in the next video, I'm going to create real-time demo where I'm going to use all the concept which we have learned till now. And please stay tuned to that. This is going to be a very special thing, because in that I'm going to share about the components, JSX, composition components, and properties and use states and all the things. And that going to be a real-time application also. And I'm going to update that application on this React.js complete course. So guys, I hope you are enjoying it, and I'm sharing my all the industry experience so that you can learn easily, so that you can get as much as benefit as you can. So thank you very much, guys. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe and like the videos and comment. And I hope you are getting better and better day by day in React.js.